Warren is home to many older and historic properties that reflect timeless architecture, established neighborhoods, and decades of craftsmanship. While these homes offer charm and character, they also come with unique challenges, especially when it comes to upgrading windows. For historic and older properties, proper window installation is just as important as the window itself. Done correctly, it preserves architectural integrity, improves comfort, and protects the home's long-term value. Here's why professional, careful window installation matters so much for Warren's older and historic homes. Preserving original architectural details. Older homes often feature custom trim, unique window openings, and original materials that can be damaged by improper installation. Standard installation methods used for new construction may not be suitable for historic properties. Professional installers understand how to protect original woodwork and trim-fit windows without altering historic proportions, maintain symmetry and design consistency. This approach ensures upgrades enhance the home rather than compromise its character. Addressing irregular window openings. Unlike modern homes, older properties rarely have perfectly square or uniform window openings. Over time, homes settle, materials shift, and openings change slightly. Proper installation accounts for out-of-square or uneven frames, structural movement over time, custom fitting rather than forcing standard sizes. Without this attention, windows may leak air, operate poorly, or create visible gaps that detract from both performance and appearance. Preventing drafts without harming the structure. Many historic Warren homes suffer from drafts due to aging windows, but improper installation can actually make the problem worse. Sealing methods must be carefully chosen to balance efficiency with breathability. Professional installation ensures tight sealing where needed, proper insulation that doesn't trap moisture, reduced drafts without stressing original materials. This improves comfort while protecting the home's structure from moisture damage. Protecting against moisture damage. Moisture is one of the biggest threats to older homes. Incorrect window installation can allow water infiltration that damages walls, frames, and original materials. Experienced installers use appropriate flashing techniques to direct water away from vulnerable areas. Avoid sealing methods that trap moisture. This is especially important in Warren's seasonal weather conditions. Maintaining structural integrity. Windows play a role in a home's overall structural stability. Improper installation can weaken surrounding framing or place stress on older walls. Proper installation includes assessing the condition of existing framing, reinforcing openings when necessary, ensuring windows are supported correctly. This prevents long-term issues such as sagging or cracking. Ensuring smooth operation in aging structures. Older homes may shift slightly over time, which can affect window performance. Professional installation accounts for these factors to ensure windows open, close, and lock properly. This leads to easier everyday use, reduced wear on hardware. Longer window lifespan. Functionality is especially important in historic homes where repairs can be more complex. Improving energy efficiency without compromising authenticity. Many homeowners worry that upgrading windows will harm the historic appearance of their home. Proper installation allows for energy-efficient improvements while maintaining a traditional look. Professional installers can match window styles to historic designs, use discrete insulation methods, preserve original aesthetics while improving performance. This balance enhances comfort and lowers energy bills without sacrificing character. Compliance with local guidelines and best practices. Historic homes may be subject to local preservation guidelines. Proper installation ensures compliance with relevant standards and avoids unnecessary alterations. Experienced professionals understand local building requirements, best practices for historic renovations, how to document and protect original features. Protecting Warren's historic homes for the future. Proper window installation is essential for older and historic properties in Warren. It protects architectural details, improves comfort, prevents moisture damage, and preserves long-term value. Cutting corners or using inexperienced installers can lead to costly repairs and irreversible changes. For homeowners committed to preserving the character of their historic property while enjoying modern comfort, professional window installation is not just important, it's essential.